In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to enjoy your Roblox in high FPS is very simple. Choose any server, for example this one right here, and go to the top corner here, click on Roblox logo and go to settings, and now all what you have to do is just copy my settings. Now take a screenshot and make all those settings on your game. And after that, click on resume and go to your desktop and click here. And make sure to close all the apps that are working in the background. And the last step is open Task Manager and go to details and search for Roblox and click on your right mouse. Click on set priority, click on high. And after that, go back and enjoy your Roblox. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.